The full stop or period. The full stop or period is a punctuation mark that is used 1. At the end of a direct statement, also known as a sentence. Example, she is my friend, and at the end of that statement we have the full stop or the period. 2. To show when a word has been shortened. Example, first example, Mr. So we have MR and there's the period. Mrs. MRS and there's the period. And doctor, we have the DR and also the period or full stop. Number 3, it is also used after initials and in abbreviations such as titles, names, time, etc. Example, let's look at the name with the initials A.N.R. Robinson, where there's a period after each initial. Let's look at the abbreviation UWI, UWI, where there's a period after each initial, and also in the time AM, where there is a period after each initial. So let's move on to the practice exercise. Insert the full stops or periods where they are needed. So first, my sister lives in Mason Hall. So here we have our period at the end of that statement. Dr. Jones is not in his office today. So our period, first period, at the end of the shortened word doctor, and also a period or full stop at the end of the statement. Let's move on to number 3. Mary K. James works in Port of Spain, that abbreviation POS, that's Port of Spain. Let's have our full stops or periods. Our first period of full stop after the initial K in a Mary K. James. And here we have quite a few full stops after each initial in the name or abbreviation Port of Spain. The last period performing 2 actions. The last period there now is the end of the statement. Number 4. The plane will arrive at 6 p.m. Let's look at our full stops or periods. Period after each initial in the word PM. Last period performing 2 jobs. It's now used also as the end, showing the end of the statement. 5. He moved to St. Mary's Street. Here we have our first period of full stop at the end of that shortened word Saint, and also full stop or period at the end of the statement after the word street.